I'm here today at Methods Machine Tool. We're going to be talking with Terry Thomas, their service manager, about how we collaborate together on a lot of their projects to meet customers' needs. Hey Terry.
Morning, Jesse. Welcome to Methods. Appreciate you coming by.
What is Methods' mission? What do you guys do?
Well, we want to partner with our customers like we partner with Mastercam to be one-stop solution for all their machining needs. From buying the machinery to getting up and running to training personnel to looking at future options of what we might do, even all the way down to automation.
A very similar mission to what Mastercam does.
Exactly.
So I know you guys support a lot of machine tool lines. What are some of the ones that you guys sell a lot of?
Been machining with the Nakamura line for years and years, probably over 40 years. We do the Yazda line machines, a lot of 5-axis machining there, high-end, OKK, a lot of 5-axis and vertical milling machining. The Fanuc line with Fanuc robo drills, robo mates, some of the Plus K automation systems, the Fanuc wire machines, and we also carry several other machine lines for our customers.
Well, I know you must sell a lot of those robo drills. I'd like to go out into your showroom and check them out.
Sure, come on. So Jesse, this is our robo drill cell. Haverly system with full integration, 5-axis, 60 pallets, ready to run whatever the customers want to run, lights out.
So how do the pallets get from the pallet changer here into the machine?
So, Fanuc robot. Fully integrated Fanuc robot can load every pallet in and out, plus you've got extra tools for multiple pallet running. Again, lights out for our customers.
I'm assuming it's all fully integrated. It's Fanuc robot, Fanuc machine, Fanuc control.
Fully integrated.
And I know we've worked together on some projects for customers, so when the machine gets to their floor, they're hitting the ground running.
They're hitting the ground running with y'all's expertise in the programming field. Customers have a one-stop shop.
Awesome. Well, I'd like to see that Nakamura.
Sure, let's go take a look.
So here's the Nakamura.
Yeah, this is one of our pride and joys, Jesse.
Yeah.
This is the NTJ 100 with our articulating upper turret head.
That is a unique design.
It is.
Yeah, you definitely need good programming and good simulation to run this thing.
That's where Mastercam comes in to help. We've got very talented customers using this and your programming to do some very fine articulating work.
You got the main spindle, the sub, the lower turret, and then you've got an upper turret, but that's pivoting on a B-axis. Incredible.
Pivoting with live tooling, can work at any different angle what they're wanting to do, plus part unloading. Let's go see Dan over at the OKK.
Awesome. Hey Dan.
Hey Jesse, how you doing?
Good. So OKK VCX 500. Can you tell me a little bit about this machine?
Sure. This is a full 5-axis machine that has some different spindle options, anywhere from 12 to 20,000 RPM. This machine actually has the 20,000 RPM spindle. It's just a really robust, purpose-built machine, very rigid, and actually the footprint for this model is very small, which a lot of customers are really trying to save space wherever they can, and this machine falls right into that envelope.
And this has all the advanced dynamic planes and TCP, tool
Actually,
center point control.
It does. It has TCP on it, tilted plane, which are both options that we're using for this particular demo. So to be able to index the part to different sides and machine without losing any accuracy, we can use that tilted plane option. And then when we're moving the rotaries simultaneously is when we use the TCP option.
So this is a engine mount we're cutting with Mastercam out of 4140 steel. I know there's some really cool deburr tool paths. We use Kennametal tooling for this part.
Kennametal has been a really awesome partner for us. I mean, they helped us out with this demo, but they help us out with a lot of different projects and things that we have going on around here. This particular demo is using all Kennametal tooling, but the one that's in the spindle right now is the Harvey 1.
Mastercam Methods, Kennametal, we've collaborated a lot to really solve customer issues out in the field.
Absolutely. I mean, we have multiple mutual customers that are super happy, and the fact that we can work together here to prove out a solution before we get out into the field is really important for customers, because that way when we get to their facility, everything is ready to go, and Mastercam has been a really, really good partner from that aspect.